Download the Christmas title from description link and extract the file. Now copy the folder into, first of all you need to show hidden folder. Click on the show hidden folder and go to your username and app data, and here the Adobe common essential graphics, and paste the folder into here, and go to the Premiere and open the essential graphics window from window. And this is the downloaded titles, and this is a two types version, and one is hand drawn and other is colored version. And just drag and drop the title into the timeline and make sure to scale the frame size, and you can adjust the scale again from the FS control window. Now just import a background and adjust the size and scale of this image, and just increase the size. And this is the title, and also you can get the hand drawn version from same folder, and you can customize this title from colors and text and everything, and also you can text tracking and everything from the essential graphics window. And some persons notify that they can change the color and they can change the tracking option, and maybe that's the problem with After Effects. So just to reinstall the After Effects, you can get the FS customization. So hope you enjoyed. Thank you.